Today we will brew some tea. Choose your favourite from our selection of over 60 loose leaf teas. Take your strainer and unlock it. We scoop the tea leaves into our strainer. We secure the strainer and place it into the cup, the first step towards a soothing experience. A pour of hot water starts the extraction. The brew develops over the next 3 to 5 minutes as the leaves release their flavours. Once the steeping is complete, we remove the strainer from the cup. And there it is, your freshly brewed tea, steeped to perfection, ready to calm and delight.